Success. Success is not something that happens overnight. It is the result of hard work, dedication, patience, and continuous learning. Every successful person starts as a beginner and face challenges along the way. What makes them different is their determination to keep moving forward despite difficulties. Success means achieving a goal that is important to you. It can be setting good grade, learning a new skill, building a career, or helping others. Success is different for each person because everyone has unique dreams and ambitions. One of the most important key to success is consistency. Small effort made every day can lead to great results overnight. Successful people develop good habits, manage their time wisely, and stay focused on their objectives. They understand that failures are not the end, but opportunities to learn and improve. A positive attitude also play a major role in success. Believing in yourself gives you the confidence to overcome obstacles and continue working toward your goals. Surrounding yourself with supportive people and maintaining a growth mindset can make the journey easier and more enjoyable. In conclusion, success is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from both success and failures. By staying committed to your goals and never giving up, you can achieve success and create a meaningful and fulfilling life. Success is not about being better than others, it is about becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you.